In today's fast-paced world, capturing someone's attention can feel like an uphill battle, especially when she seems indifferent. But what if you could unlock the secrets to staying on her mind without resorting to games or manipulation? Enter the wisdom of the modern Stoic. By combining timeless Stoic principles with contemporary insights, you can cultivate an irresistible presence that draws her in naturally. This isn't about flashy gestures or trying too hard. It's about mastering self-control, exuding confidence, and sparking genuine curiosity, qualities that linger in the mind long after a conversation ends. Ready to elevate your approach? Let's dive in. Mastering emotional control, an element of unpredictability. She'll start to wonder about you. Why you're not as readily available and what's occupying your attention. This kind of curiosity is key. Lesson number 1 to creating emotional investment. However, be cautious. This isn't about playing hard to get or making her feel neglected. It's about giving her the chance to experience what life feels like when you're not always around, done right. This can reignite her interest and make her look forward to spending time with you again. So take a step back, give her space to miss you, and you'll find her appreciating your presence more when you're there. Space isn't just physical distance. It's about creating moments for her to value your time together. 2. Cultivate a purpose-driven life. One of the most attractive qualities in a man is his ability to lead a purpose-driven life, a life centered around your own goals. Ambitions and passions makes you more than just a partner. It makes you someone worth admiring and respecting. When your life revolves entirely around her, it can unintentionally create a sense of dependency. While being attentive is important, over-focusing on her can feel overwhelming. Instead, focus on yourself and your aspirations. Ask yourself what drives you. Is there a hobby you've been meaning to explore? Maybe it's fitness, learning a new skill, or pursuing a professional milestone. Start working on these goals, not just to impress her, but to better yourself when you're passionate and thriving. It naturally shows a man with purpose is magnetic. Women are drawn to men who know what they want and actively work toward it by investing in your own growth. You not only build confidence but also demonstrate independence. This independence is crucial. It tells her that while she's important, you have your own life and don't rely on her for fulfillment. By leading a fulfilling, purpose-driven life, you create a natural sense of attraction. She'll see you as someone ambitious and grounded, which is far more appealing than someone who seems to have no direction. This subtle but powerful be the source of intrigue shift will make her miss your presence and value the moments you share. 3. At a touch of mystery. Mystery is a time element of attraction. When someone knows everything about you or can predict your every move, there's little left to be intrigued by. Adding a bit of mystery to your interactions can keep her curious and engaged. Creating mystery doesn't mean being secretive or evasive. It's about lesson number 2, withholding just enough information to pique her interest. For instance, if she asks about your weekend plans, don't lay out every detail. Instead, say something like, "I've got a few things lined up, but I'll fill you in later." This leaves her wondering and imagining, which naturally draws her attention. Another way to build mystery is by varying your behavior. Avoid falling into predictable patterns of communication. Skip a text here and there, or change the time you usually reach out. This subtle unpredictability keeps things fresh and exciting. Keep in mind that mystery isn't about manipulation. It's about fostering curiosity. When she doesn't know everything about you, she'll be more inclined to think about you and want to learn more. This intrigue can rekindle her interest and deepen her emotional connection to you. Mystery is powerful because it engages her imagination. It makes her wonder what you're up to, who you're spending time with, and why you're not constantly available. Use this to your advantage. and let the intrigue work its magic, for don't always be available. Being overly available can sometimes send the wrong message. While it's natural to want to spend time with someone you care about, constantly being at her beck and call can come across as overly eager or even needy. Setting boundaries is essential. For example, if she texts you while you're in the middle of something, don't rush to respond. Finish what you're doing and reply when you're genuinely free. This shows her that while she's important, you also value your time and priorities. Another way to balance your availability is by mixing up your routine. If you're always the one initiating plans, let her take the lead occasionally. If you're used to responding immediately to her texts, take a little longer. Sometimes these small changes can create a sense of anticipation and make her value your presence even more. The key is to ensure that when you are available, you're fully present. Quality time matters more than quantity. Being engaged and attentive when you're with her will leave a lasting impression, making her look forward to those moments. Remember, this isn't about playing hard to get. It's about showing her that you have your own focus on self-improvement, life, and responsibilities, while still making time for her. Striking this balance can make you more attractive and make her miss the moments you share. 5. Make every lesson 3-moment count when you spend time with her. Focus on creating moments that leave a lasting impression. It's not about how much time you spend together, but the quality of those moments. Meaningful experiences can make her think about you long after you're gone. Instead of routine or predictable outings, try doing something memorable. Plan activities that are unique and engaging. Visit an art exhibit, take a cooking class together, or even explore a new hiking train. The goal is to create moments that stand out in her mind. Deep, meaningful conversations are just as impactful as exciting adventures. Take the time to truly listen to her, understand her thoughts, and share your own. These emotional connections are what she'll replay in her head when you're not around, strengthening her attachment to you. In today's digital world, even virtual interactions can leave an impression. A heartfelt voice note or a thoughtfully crafted text can carry as much weight as inner interactions. The key is to make her feel valued and special in your shared time by focusing on quality. You're not just making her miss you, you're setting a standard. She'll start to associate the best moments of her day with you, making her crave more of your presence. 6. Post purposefully on social media. Social media is a modern-day tool for staying on someone's mind, but it needs to be used wisely. Posting aimlessly or over for sharing can dilute your image. Instead, use your online presence to subtly showcase the interesting aspects of your life. For instance, share a photo of a scenic hike, a clip of you trying a new skill, or an inspiring quote that reflects your mindset. These posts shouldn't come across as trying too hard. They should feel natural and authentic. What makes this strategy powerful is that it allows her to see you thriving without explicitly involving her. She'll start to wonder about the parts of your life she's not privy to, sparking curiosity and admiration. Avoid using social media to flaunt or make her jealous. Immature tactics like posting pictures with other women or cryptic captions can backfire. Instead, aim to inspire and intrigue, showcase a fulfilling life she might want to be part of when done correctly. Your posts become subtle reminders of your presence. She'll scroll through her feed, see your updates and think, wow, he's really got his life together. That intrigue can make her miss you even more. 7. Radiate confidence. Confidence is one of the most magnetic traits a man can possess. It's not just about how you look or carry yourself, it's about your mindset and how you handle challenges. True confidence comes from within. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and secure in your worth. For example, if stop chasing, start attracting. She doesn't reply to your text immediately, don't panic or double text. Trust that she'll get back to you when she's ready. Your calm and composed reaction shows that you're grounded and not easily rattled. Confidence also means setting boundaries and standing by them. Whether it's pursuing your goals or sticking to your values, a confident man doesn't waver under pressure. This kind of self-assurance is incredibly attractive because it shows that you're in control of your own life. However, confidence isn't arrogance. It's about being secure without needing to prove anything. When you exude this type of energy, people naturally gravitate toward you. She'll notice your unwavering presence and find herself drawn to your calm and collected. Confidence is the thread that ties everything together. It's what makes your purpose-driven life your mystery, and your interactions all the more impactful when you radiate confidence. She'll not only admire you, but also miss the stability and strength you bring into her life. 8. Limit communication to build tension. Communication is essential in any relationship, but sometimes less is more. Constantly being the one to text first or always calling her can make her take your presence for granted. Limiting communication strategically creates an opportunity for her to miss you. This doesn't mean ignoring her or playing hard to get. It's about allowing space for her to take the initiative. For instance, if you're used to texting her every morning, skip a day. If you always call her at night, let her be the one to reach out. These subtle changes shift the dynamic and make her notice your absence. Think of it like a TV series with suspenseful episodes. If every detail is predictable and there's no tension, the excitement fades. But when there's a cliffhanger, you can't wait for the next episode. The same principle applies to communication by creating moments of silence. You build anticipation and keep her engaged. When she starts to wonder why she hasn't heard from you, she'll feel a stronger pull toward you. And when you do reconnect, make those interactions meaningful and engaging. This balance between distance and connection keeps the relationship dynamic and exciting. Practical actions to stay memorable. You now have the tools to make her miss you in a genuine, respectful way. Each of these steps isn't about manipulation or games. It's about becoming the kind of man who's worth missing. Start incorporating these strategies. Gradually focus on creating meaningful moments, building your own life and radiating confidence. When you lead with authenticity, you'll naturally draw her closer to you.